Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Got a domain on Hostinger and want to link it to your GitHub pages site? Let's set it up in under 2 minutes. First of all, open GitHub repository, repository page, then go to settings and select pages. Then select your branch like main and root folder. Save it and note the site URL like your name .github.io. Now scroll down to custom domains section, type your full domain like www.example.com and hit save. GitHub will auto create a CNAME file for you. Now log into your Hostinger account, go to domains tab, select yours domain and click the DNS zone editor. Now it's time to point your domain to GitHub. At this, a record pointing at the to 185.199.108.153. Then give add the other GitHub IPs like 154.155 dot and dot 156. CNAME records, record pointing www your username.com .github.io. Go back to GitHub and check enforce HTTPS. Wait for a minute, and your custom domain will now show your GitHub site with SSL. And that's it. Thanks for watching.